to see this LCM and HCF. So LCM and HCF. Here, HCF is nothing but highest common factor, LCM is least common multiple. So find the LCM of 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 are this given here, and then 6 is given. So we are going to see these are all the multiples, and we have to go for the common multiples. You can see that the common multiples here is 12 and 24 and so on. So these are the common multiples, and the least of this is nothing but 12. So your answer is 12. So this is going to be the answer, right? That is LCM. Similarly, when you go for HCF of the numbers, consider the factors of 18 and 24. So when you take the factors of 18 and 24, 18 factors are given here and 24 is given here. You know that the least is always going to be 1. So you can't say for the least, you have to go for the highest. So which are all the common factors you have? 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, and 6 is common. Beyond this, you don't have anything in common. So you're going for the highest common factor, which is nothing but 6. That's the answer. Next. LCM and HCF. So you can do this in 2 different ways. Like we just now I showed that. You can also go for this one. Just find out like this one, the L division which we do it. So repeated division, you can say. Remove this common multiple factors, whatever you have. This 24 and 36, you have 2 as a common. Remove that. And then the next, again, you have 2 common. Remove that. Then you don't have common 2 here, but you have common 3. So remove the common 3. The left out is 2 and 3. When you multiply all this, that becomes your LCM. So 2 into 2, again 3 into 2 into 3. So that is what is your LCM. Product of all this will give you LCM. In general, we can say LCM is a number. The 72 is the LCM here. And we need to see that the given numbers are the factors of this LCM. So 24 and 36 is given. You have to check whether 72 is divisible by 24 and 72 is divisible by 36, and that becomes LCM. Similarly, when you go for this in HCF, it's the same process you're going to do, but you are just going to take the common factors, whatever you're taking here, not the one which is left out. So when you consider this, that becomes your HCF. Like here we are taking all the numbers, but here we are taking only the common one. So remove this. This is not common to both. This is left out of 6 and 9. So this is what is common. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. And here also, it is the other way. When you go for, this is for LCM. And when you go for HCF, so what you have to see is this 24 and 36 when you consider, the factor is nothing but this. You just have to see whether 24 is divisible by 12 and 36 is also divisible by 12. Otherwise, that's not a common factor. Next. LCM of fractions. So we can use this following direct formula. That is, HCF of fraction is nothing but HCF of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator of the fractions. So any fraction given here, like suppose you are given like 2 by 3, then 4 by 7, then we can say HCF of the fraction is HCF of the denominator. So here, you're going to consider 2, 4. Take the HCF of those 2 and LCM of the denominator. So 3 and 7. And same thing here, you're going to say the same value here, but LCM of 2 and 4 divided by HCF of 3 and 7. So that's a formula. So we'll see one example here. Find the HCF and LCM of the 2 fractions, 6 by 9 and 12 by 15. So here you can see the numerator of 6 and 12. Numerators here are 6 and 12. So I'm just taking these 2 and find the HCF of these 2 and LCM. So their HCF is 6. 6 and 12, HCF is 6 and LCM is 12. And denominator 9 and 15, when you consider, your LCM is going to be 45 and HCF is going to be 3. So hence we have this HCF as HCF of the numerator. So numerator is here. HCF is 6. And LCM of the denominator, that is 45 or 2 by 15. Similarly, when you go for LCM of the numerator, which is 12, divided by HCF of the denominator, which is 3. So 12 by 3 is 4. Okay. So this is the end of it. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.